Hello everyone. Right now, tokenization is one of the fastest growing trends in the world. But here's the catch. Not every asset is a good fit for tokenization, and not every asset gets approved quickly. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you the top 7 assets that you can successfully list at RPOnChain this month. 3 types of assets that you should avoid to save your time. Now let's make this video super simple and easy to understand. Let's start with one of the strongest and most reliable asset types, that is company shares. You can tokenize both public and private shares as long as you can show proof of the ownership. This can be a stock certificate or brokerage screenshot or maybe a contract information. You can submit this at RPOnChain. These assets frequently move from in review to write confirmed and then change very quickly, which makes it very perfect for investors, founders, and anyone holding verified shares. Artworks are extremely popular right now. Paintings, sketches, prints, digital art. If you own it and you have documentation, you can tokenize it. A lot of artists and collectors use RPOnChain to create a secure, verifiable digital versions of their art. This helps protect ownership and increase their visibility. One of the hottest asset types in this year is the AI models. If you have trained an AI image model, voice model, text model, or anything like that, you can list it. You just need the basic documentation, what the model does, training data rights, a simple license or a usage note of your AI model. Since AI is becoming a major tokenization category, and also RPOnChain already supports tokenization of AI models. Next up, we have the intellectual properties. If you own a brand logo, a music track, or a character, or even a source code of something, you can tokenize it. IP is one of the easiest asset types to register because it is already well documented. Collectibles are rising very fast, like antiques, sports cards, luxury watches, or a signed item. If you can prove it's yours and provide valuation info, RPOnChain can verify it. Collectors love tokenization because it protects ownership and builds digital authenticity. Something that most people don't know, that is, your business invoices and receivables can be tokenized too. For example, if your customer owes you some money, you can register that receivable as an asset. This is useful for financing proof of debt and legal traceability. And finally, digital products. If you have created something like an online course, templates, software, or a SaaS platform, or digital packs that you own it, this makes it eligible for tokenization. If you have proof of creation, digital assets are very lightweight and easy to list. Okay, now let's talk about the 3 types of assets that you should not list because they almost fail at verification. Firstly, assets without any proof of ownership. If you don't have any receipt, certificates, or any clear digital proof, the platform cannot verify your rights, and eventually these assets will usually get stuck in the review section forever. Secondly, copyrighted materials. You cannot tokenize anything that is not yours or that is not created by you. So avoid listing popular music, movies, artwork, or characters unless you own the right of that specific thing. Thirdly, shared, borrowed, or leased assets. If an asset is shared between multiple people like co-owned property, you need documents from everyone. If it's borrowed or rented, you can't list it at all. Only list what you can fully control. Now let's talk about how to list an asset at RPOnChain. Listing an asset at RPOnChain is very simple. Choose your asset type, upload your proof of ownership, add details and valuation of your asset, wait for verification. Once approved, your asset becomes right confirmed, and the final step, it gets chained, meaning it is now a verified digital token on the blockchain. That's it. You don't need any technical knowledge, coding skill, or even you don't need to have any blockchain experience. If you want to start listing your first asset, or if you need help preparing your documents, you can reach us anytime via Telegram or WhatsApp.